I invite you to enjoy more white foods for clarity, purification, and inner peace. I'm sure there's been a time where you wanted to clear your mind, or clean your body, or just experience calm amidst the chaos. Well, your body and mind yearn for balance. It's a state where you can truly tap in to your inner guidance and align with your purpose. But do you know how to nourish yourself to support this inner clarity and this purification process? Well, you can learn how to embrace the power of white foods and fasting to cleanse your body, to calm your mind, and to create space for new beginnings. Welcome back. Today we're exploring the color white, which symbolizes purity, clarity, and peace. And white foods often get overlooked in the colorful world of nutrition, but they do offer an impressive range of health benefits. White is actually the harmonious blend of all the colors, symbolizing unity and balance, and it's where the vibrancy of each hue comes together to create purity and clarity and the full spectrum of light. So white foods combined with the ancient practice of fasting can be a powerful tool for purification. So first and foremost, let's address allicin, the detoxifying powerhouse. Allicin is found in garlic, onions, and leeks. It's a compound with potent detoxifying properties. It's also known for supporting liver function, aiding the body in eliminating toxins, and protecting against oxidative stress. Allicin also has powerful antimicrobial effect, boosting the immune system and promoting overall health. And by aiding in detoxification, allicin-rich white foods help clear the mind, the body, and make space for mental clarity. So next, we're going to explore potassium and its cardiovascular benefits. Potassium-abundant white foods, like potatoes, cauliflower, white beans, and the white parts of bananas, play a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, reducing blood pressure, and supporting heart health. It helps to relax the blood vessels and improve circulation and reduces strain on the cardiovascular system. And a calm and healthy heart is the foundation of overall peace and well-being. And don't forget about your bones. White is the color of our bones, and coincidentally, white vegetables like cauliflower and turnips are rich in calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential nutrients for maintaining strong and healthy bones. They also contain vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone metabolism and helps prevent osteoporosis. And you should consider cancer prevention with white mushrooms. White mushrooms can be a valuable part of a diet aimed at cancer prevention thanks to its unique bioactive components. For example, white button mushrooms contain conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, and selenium, both of which have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, maitake mushroom, which comes in white and other varieties, contains beta-glucans, which are known for their immune-boosting and anti-cancer properties. And then there's enoki mushrooms, which have long white stems that happen to be rich in polysaccharides and other compounds studied for their cancer-fighting properties. And then there's lion's mane, which is normally known for its brain-boosting and health benefits. It contains compounds that may have anti-cancer properties. And cordyceps militaris is another compound found in these mushrooms that inhibits the growth of cancer cells and induces apoptosis, which is programmed cell death in various cancer types. And then there's the miraculous coconut, which is not actually a nut, but a miraculous, versatile, and highly nutritious and delicious superfood with numerous health benefits and uses. It's high in medium chain triglycerides, MCTs, which is a fat that is easily absorbed by the body and can boost metabolism and support in weight management. Coconut is also a good source of manganese, which is important for bone health and metabolizing, as well as copper and iron, which support the formation of red blood cells. The saturated fats in coconuts, primarily MCTs, has been shown to increase levels of HDL, which is good cholesterol, and its antioxidants are great for your skin and aid in anti-aging. Additionally, coconut flour, milk, cream, and water offer versatile, healthier options for cooking and baking. Coconut flour is a gluten-free, low-carb alternative that's high in fiber and protein. And coconut milk and cream are perfect for both sweet and savory dishes. And coconut water is tasty and full of electrolytes and refreshing. Just make sure to opt for that no sugar added variety. And fasting is the ultimate purification. It's an ancient practice of abstaining from food which has been used for centuries to promote purification and spiritual clarity. And when combined with white foods, fasting can help reset the body's systems, allowing for deep detoxification and renewal. So during fasting, the body shifts into a state of repair and regeneration. This promotes mental clarity and a deeper connection to your inner self. Fasting can also reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support in overall longevity. So you're probably wondering how white foods and fasting can enhance your mental clarity and inner peace. Well, white foods, with its gentle detoxifying and calming properties, can help clear the mind and the body, fostering a sense of inner peace. And by supporting the body's natural purification processes, they help you to let go of what no longer serves you and to make space for what does and bring in new insights easily. So when paired with fasting and white foods, you can get a deeper detoxification, experience more mental clarity, and tune into your intuition more easily, allowing you to align with your purpose. So if your intuition is guiding you towards a purification, white foods just might be your ally. You might like to try roasted cauliflower or garlic mashed potatoes, coconut cashew energy balls or coconut crusted tofu, a white bean hummus, platano pina colada, or coconut rice pudding, just to tempt your taste buds. And if you're ready to explore fasting, start with a gentle approach, perhaps incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine. But before starting any fasting regime, please consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. Fasting may not be suitable for everybody, and individual needs and circumstances should be considered and approached. So, to explore these recipes and learn more about the benefits of white foods and fasting, check out the workbook for full details, nutritional information, the recipes, and to do the exercises to test your comprehension. And if you wish to continue on your journey of nourishing both your body, spirit, and mind, I invite you to dive deeper into the vibrant world of holistic wellness with my book series, Feed Your Chakras. Each book is a series that offers unique exploration of the colors and foods that fuel your energy centers, also known as the chakras, and guides you towards a greater balance of vitality and purpose. And if you've enjoyed these lessons, there's so much more. Each chakra serves as a purpose, and I invite you to explore this through recipes, holistic rituals, and practices designed to align your chakras, to enhance your better balance, and to help you unlock your untapped potential. So whether you're looking to boost your intuition, to elevate your mood, or live in alignment, Feed Your Chakras provides the insights and inspiration to help you thrive. So thank you for being part of this journey. Feel free to join me on my social media or to sign up for my newsletter for more content. I wish you well on your path to a vibrant, balanced life. If this is where we take off, please stay blessed and take care.